Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to display a drop down pop-up menu inside the Tkinter desktop application. So there is a widget that you can use. Let me show you the example. So as soon as you load this application, the application will look something like this, and we have this drop down menu that you can display, pop-up drop down menu. So you can have different options right here. You will see Monday, Tuesday. You can take user input like this. So if the user changes this and then click on this button, you will see. So if you see, so I'll show you how to initialize this pop-up drop down menu inside your Tkinter application. So all the source code will be given in the description of the video. So first of all, you need to import everything from the Tkinter package and then initialize the window. And you can set the geometry here, which is the width and the height. And then we can initialize this widget, drop down widget. We can have a series of data that you want to display. So in this case, we are displaying the 7 days in the week. We initialize this array. Each option you will see we have to initialize it. After that, we can simply convert this into string values. Initial value will be Monday inside the drop down widget. And we have this widget here, which is option menu inside Tkinter. Here we can pass the options. So like this, the variable, and then we can display this on the screen by using the pack method. So this is essentially this widget which contains these three options. And after that, we display a label on the screen as well. And then we start the main loop here, root main loop. That's all. So that's all that we need to do. If you execute this application, you will see that we have this. Then we can even have a button as well. So as soon as you click the button, show, you will display the value of it, the actual choice which is selected. So we can simply option dot get. So whatever option, we can get the value of it and display this. So we'll see that. So in this easy way, you can initialize a pop-up drop-down menu, and then you can get the value as soon as on button click. You will see we selected this Friday value. So this is the simplest of tutorials of Tkinter. We have this built-in widget which is option menu, and you can initialize a pop-up drop-down menu very easily. And also check out my website here, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools